creating a new document or starting up a new document. To start up a new document, you click File. When you click File, you go to New, you click New, you could see blank document. There are others here, so we are in need of new document. You click New Document, you have a new document. Now you can start up. Always first font, apply the ones that you need. Now you make your page setups. You come to page layout. They are always necessary based on what you are doing. So the columns, the margins must be normal. So the orientation is based on landscape, or that is based on what you are doing. You come back home. So when you are done with all this, you can now start typing or creating the document. So here we go.